na lang kayo! Mag-ingat kayo, ha? We made it! And you made it, Beanie! Congratulations! Hey guys!
Cleopatra.
So today is Tuesday. It's Beanieverse Day. Nandito kami ngayon nagpe-prepare para sa Beanieverse.
See you later, twin Aya.
See you, Maloy.
See you,
Maloy.
See you, Gwen. See you, Tracy. See you, Joanna. Si Colette. Oh my God, lakahin namin mo si Colette. Magalit.
So nagpe-prepare muna kami.
May cheekbone ako.
I'm having my makeup done by Princess Charing.
HMUA. Ano ba yung makeup, guys? Kabog.
Ito po yung mga pinagdidikit po namin sa... ay, ito dapat teardrops. Saan ang inspiration ng makeup mo? Ito. Sinong inspiration?
Cleopatra.
Patingin. Sa kabila.
Mamaya ka na.
Hey guys, so we're on our way to...
Hi guys.
Bill Graham's
Guess
Civic.
why?
Ano pang pangalan?
Bill Graham Auditorium.
Tanong mo sila kung sino ako.
Sino itong kasama namin?
Bini Aya.
Ikaw.
Bini Roch.
Don't say Aya. I mean, don't say Maloy because I'm Maloy.
Sige, ako na lang si Billy Mika.
Nagkaman. Nails. Pati ng nails.
Bini, ano na? Ready na kami mag-perform.
So, hindi kami nakakuha ng ticket para sa
Hindi niya kami binigyan ng VIP.
True.
Tignan mo, wala na yung kulot ko.
So, dito nyo na lang kami makikita. Ito na yung nasa na tayo. San Francisco na tayo. Kanina nasa San Bruno tayo. Tara.
Hi guys. So we're here now. It's kind of new thing for me because this is not my usual thing. So come with us. This journey for me. Maloy.
Thank you.
Bini, you made it and we made it too.
This is
Bini,
for
you
you.
made it.
This outfit is for you.
Ganyan kasi, babe. Ba't ka nahihiya? Pinaghirapan mo yung outfit. Patingin ang banner. Kabila.
Oh, dapat pa na yung bag ko nandito sa may kabila.
Yun nga yung sabi ni Crazy kanina.
I didn't hear that. Because of this.
Wait. Outfit check.
Why do I have so many things?
Tingin.
Hi guys.
Outfit check na.
Doon si Ari. Ako. Ate, magkano yung
Dili ka na. Secret ang gusto.
Ate, can I have...
How much is the monchichi?
Sorry, not for sale.
Oh, andito na ako. Ano pang inaantay nyo? Huwag na kayo manood ng video. Nandito na ako. Ako lang naman. Ito si Bini Maloy. Oh, nandito kami ngayon. Nasa stage na kami, guys. Nasa harap kami. Gitnang gitna. Makikita namin yung kasing ganda ko.
Sino yun?
Si Aya. Nandun.
Aya talaga?
Yan. Anong masasabi mo at nandito ka na? Nasa graduation ka ng anak mo.
Dito ako nag-graduate guys sa Bill Brand.
Diyan siya tumakbo.
Doon ako naglakad dati. So nag-perform na rin ako sa stage dati.
Hi, Chris's vlog! Hello.
I mean, hindi
We're here at Bill Graham's Civic Auditorium. And we're about to watch 2, 3. Bang!
cold weather, you have the warmest welcome! That's right, San Francisco! Yeah. Ano, that's right, Ate Jo! Grabe. Alam niyo ba, girls, 13th show na namin today. What? Lucky 13. Oh yeah, Lucky 13. After this concert, we have 2 more concerts left and we're done with our Beaniverse World Tour! Hindi pa naman tapos, malapit pa lang. Time flies so fast, guys. If we're having fun, and kami girls, we're having so much fun sa World Tour na to, but life can sometimes be hectic where you just need to pause and you need to take a deep breath. And I want everyone here to know Balloons, hindi lang siya kanta, but it is real life, it's not a race. And and you are meant where you are right now.
Gusto nyo yan.
Yes, those songs are from our latest EP, Beaniverse. So I hope you guys have been streaming a lot of our songs, or at least the latest one, and we hope you enjoyed that performance. But I think we should do something tonight. I think we should do some energy check. I have a question. Eastman, where you at? What about South Bay, where you at? How about North Bay, where you at? Peninsula? Shenron, Daly City, where you at? Grabe. Your energy is so giving, and thank you so much for that, guys. Can I just say, wala kami naririnig na music, puro sigaw nyo. But you know what, San Francisco are hella excited to be here tonight! Because nakatulog kami na maayos, sobra. Kasi, short kwento lang. Diba, tag 3 consecutive days kami na concert.
Oh, tapos.
Tapos, bumiyahe kami papunta LA. Bumalik kami sa LA kasi media promo kami. Tapos, bumiyahe kami dito. Grabe ang tulog na. Alas 12 na kami gumising. Yeah. Grabe. Worth it yung tulog namin kasi grabe energy nyo ngayon talaga. So many things happen, grabe. But right now, let's slow things down a bit, okay? Time to change the mood and let you in on a little secret. To one of our favorite moments in every show. Summer No discrimination. I love monkeys. Okay, mates. Yeah.
Ano daw yun?
And Brother Blues, thank you so much again for coming tonight. Thank you for bringing your friends and your family along. Hello po, Berbini. First time niyo po kaming makikita. I hope you guys will like us. Yeah, you love what you're seeing. Pero, Looks, hindi magiging posible itong Bini, hindi mabubuo itong Bini without the support of our home network, of course, ABS-CBN.
Alam niyo ba that the Filipino channel or TFC was born here in San Francisco? Meron ba? And that TFC is now celebrating its 30 years! At dahil dyan, sabay-sabay tayo. Happy 30th anniversary TFC! 1, 2, 3!
Happy 30th anniversary, TFC!
Oh, grabe, imagine. TFC has brought us closer to home for over 30 years now! At grabe talaga, di ba? At tama lang kasi, yung motto ng ABS-CBN has always been in the service of the Filipino people worldwide. Yes! Thank you, ABS-CBN! And salamat, Looks! Ako na napasalamat sa inyong lubos. Pero mga kami ulit! Sino naging Ilocano dito? Feel na ako na idaghan mga Bisaya.
Yes, thank you so much, Blues, sa inyong lahat. Pero syempre, we also want
Ay, susunod na Bini. Ako na. Oh my gosh, Steve.
Bye, Bini. Bye, Zaini.
This is
Nagbuwagi ang plano natin, di ba?
This is the very amazing part.
Di ba tayo yung nakadestined na magbigay ng
Naiiyak ako.
Ilan ang subscribers mo? Follow!
141.
139 na lang.
139,000. Huh? 139,000. Ay, oh, follow. Sorry.
Thank you. Which way? Dito tayo ngayon sa merch ng Bini. So, bibili na kami. Oh no. No more large.
Large.
Medium please.
I have black in the flower and the purple.
What about this? Like totally out?
Not all we have small and medium
If
size.
you're looking for a medium, I only have the flower black and purple. If you're looking for a large, I only have purple. Or the
Dito yung labas ng Bill Graham Civic Auditorium. Dito sila nag-concert. Nung Bini dito. Bill Graham. May amoy tayo dito, guys.
Be, anong malapit sa'yo?
Bakit may amoy tayo? So tapos na ang Bini concert. Ano ang masasabi nyo? Review.
Someone.
We made it! And you made it, Bini! Congratulations!
May as yun.
Thumbs up sa'yo. May nag-aamok doon. May nag-aamok. Chat.
Uy, bago ka umuwi ate, mag-tiktok tayo.
No. Nang shaggy di. Mag-tiktok daw tayo, sabi ni Joanna. Shaggy. TikTok daw at itag mo siya. Ito yung Bill Graham Academy, charing Bini. Lakad ngayon dito sa Bini Bus Tour dito sa San Francisco. At sana hindi kami masagasaan dito sa San Francisco. Nandito na po kami ngayon kasalukuyan. Oh muntik nang masagasaan ng mga Bini fans dito sa San Francisco.
You were amazing. Thank you.
You look cute. So adorable. I love her voice as well.
Doon ka, Obe.
Hey guys, so nandito tayo ngayon, inaabangan natin ang Bini.
Oh no, they're about to leave.
Ano masasabi niyo?
Tama ka na dyan, huwag ka na humiga sa kama. Lumabas ka na dito.
Tagal mo, girl.
Ang tagal.
Nanginginig na yung...
Sa'yo na ako.
Nanginginig na yung back doon.
Maloy.
Ang lamig-lamig na dito.
Sino lagi si Maloy?
Mama Loy.
Joanna, Stacy,
Colette,
Colette.
Gwen,
Gwen,
Aya,
Aya, Mika, Maloy.
Mag-ingat na lang kayo! Mag-ingat kayo, ha?
Bye! Ano ba yan?
Bakit naman dyan?
Bye-bye!
Dito dapat yan eh.